Your boy give it that and back with that I give it take my fit. And today's take my fit to is Spigily obsession over Apiwe. Still no man. Is it truly no man, my friend? So Spigily is a great dude, I won't lie. And he's a well like entertainer, content creator, about Bamtan and Naledi on the other hand, she's young, she has a beautiful voice, she's beautiful, look, talented, nje bafethu ngayo yonke indlela bafethu. And over like past couple of months or a year or so, Spiggy has been like trying to get a Naledi attention, yabo. And now it just became his content. It's been his content actually. And people are loving it. And it's been running for a long time now, yabo. And I think people are over it too. About man. They were loving it and now they're like dissipating and be like, oh, this guy is like going over with this yabo man. And I'm just asking myself about it. Like the obsession is that really real? Is he now obsessed with Nalete Appear that he can make his own content without involving her? Yabo. I'm just curious, my friend, yabo. Because anything but Uyabonjo speaking, I've seen him like performing. He's created performing, but when he do his thing, it just like click, yabo. But now I think he has like reached like that level. Uguti. Okay, now what next actually? Because Appear Vanish is still going to continue releasing music, but yeah, me being obsessed with her, like I don't know what's going on in his mind, Buffett. And I want to know from you, Buffett, what do you think about this? Is it a valid topic that we need to talk about, Yabo? Because it might be an obsession or something because it's been so long now. I mean, yeah, that's absolutely actual, but this is the give and take, Buffett. So don't forget to like, comment, and share, Buffett. So we out.